Kindergarten friends. We're here today to read our poem called The Little Snowman. So you can watch and listen and then each day read along with me. I'm going to start right here. And it goes to the tune of a song called I'm a Little Teapot. But the words are different. It's about a snowman. Go ahead and listen. I'm a little snowman, round and fat. I have a broomstick. I have a hat. With my friends, I like to play. But when the sun comes out, I run away. Good job. Let's play some games with our poem. Tappers up. Zoop. Tell me all the sounds you hear in fat. Fa, at. Tell me all the sounds in have. Ha, have. With. W, if. Play. Pa, l, a. Like. L, I, ka. Sun. Good job. Now, I'm going to say a word, and you tell me what it is. Okay, ready, friends? I'm going to need your loud voices. What is this word? Out. Out. Run. Good. Like. Ha, at. Hat. Fa, at. Fat. Good. Now we're going to clap the syllables, the beats in the word. Clappers up. Shoop. How many syllables in snowman? Snowman. Little. Little. Round. Round. Broomstick. Broomstick. Friends. Friends. My. Away. Away. Good job. And in our poem, let me see. I see a lot of sight words. How do you spell the word little? L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Good job. I see lots of sight words in our poem. All right. Thanks for reading with me. Have a great day.